Hello, Eden Park families, and welcome to an exciting new school year for the years of 2020 and 2021. We are sure to have many learning growths and lots of excitement this year, and I really cannot wait to see all of your students very, very soon. Today we're going to lead you through a few items related to Title I, as well as for some miscellaneous items related to the start of the school year. The purpose of Title I funding, because Eden Park Elementary School is a Title I funded school, is to help ensure that all children have the opportunity to obtain a high-quality education and reach proficiency on challenging state academic standards and assessments. Title I eligibility is based on the number of students who qualify for free or reduced price lunch at ages 5 to 17 years old. The schools are ranked by their percentage, and the eligibility is set based on that ranking. And for the fiscal year of 2021, schools that have at least 75% of their students that qualify for free or reduced lunch are eligible for Title I funding. The benefits of Title I funding is it provides additional funding to supplement the existing curriculum. We are also able to provide parent and family engagement opportunities, provide supplemental highly effective staff, and then to do staff development for all of our staff members to better serve your student. One of the components of the Title I process is that schools undergo what's called a needs assessment. And based on our most current data available to our school, the areas of need for this upcoming school year are in the areas of English language arts achievement, with a focus on ensuring students reach proficiency. 44% of our students scored proficient on the state assessment 2 school years ago. The second area of need is science achievement. The last state assessment, 50% of our students scored proficient on the state assessment. And then our third area is mathematics achievement, and that is a school-wide focus as well. 73% of our students scored proficient on the state assessment on the most recent testing cycle as well. How Title I will support these areas of need. There are many things that Title I funds are used to support, but one of them is supplemental staff, and there is a handout that is posted to the website and attached to parent newsletters to provide you with assistance and with support in retrieving that information. We also use Title I funds to support various initiatives to support the growth academically and socially with our student population. The Leader in Me implementation and training is one of those initiatives that we use Title I funds for, and that teaches our students the 7 habits of highly effective people. We also are able to purchase instructional supplies. We fund staff development and associated costs with staff development, as well as instructional supplies for our migrant resource room. There are Title I documents that are available here at the school for you to review. Every year, we send out a parent compact that is to be signed and returned to the school, and that will be sent out during the first week of school. There is also a parent and family engagement policy that is online. You're able to access in the front office our Title I use of funds plan, and that is also voted on and distributed during our school advisory council meetings. We also do what is referred to as the comprehensive needs assessment, which leads to our school improvement plan, and then you can also see our school report card. Stakeholder input is a valuable and efficient way to assist us in completing our review, and it is an essential part, and that we use parents, students in secondary, and community members to review our comprehensive needs assessment and provide feedback on the ways that Title I funds are expended. So please be on the lookout. There is a parent and family engagement booklet that will be sent to all parents via their backpack the first week of school. So please be on the lookout for that information. So that concludes the Title I component. A couple of words of note or notifications prior to the start of the school year. One of the notes is that students are required to wear face coverings when they come to school. Face coverings are required on buses and on school campuses beginning on Monday, August 31st, which is the first day of school. CCPS will be providing face coverings and safety glasses, which are highly recommended but not required. They will be distributed to students on the first day of school to provide students with those additional supplies. However, please make sure students arrive that first day of school with a mask. A word of note, bandanas and masks with valves are not acceptable face coverings. The school hours for Eden Park have been adjusted this school year. We are starting a little bit earlier than in previous years. Our start time this school year is 7:45 a.m. and dismissal time goes to 2:15. That is a pretty good change, so you will want to make sure that you're making arrangements for dismissal. Again, dismissal is at 2:10. We do begin serving breakfast at 7:10. Doors will open at 7:10 for students to begin making their way into the cafeteria to eat their breakfast. A couple of first day of school reminders just to ensure a safe and stress-free as possible first day for your student. Please ensure your student knows how they are going to go home the first day and every day after that. A suggestion would be to place a contact list, so your phone number, possibly a relative's phone number, or somebody else that is authorized to pick up the student. So to place that contact list for students in their backpack just in case something were to happen. And then additionally, please make sure that you're going into the parent portal to update your contact information. And you're able to do that by going to www.collierschools.com, and then you'll select the Parents link at the top. You can also call the Eden Park Elementary front office at 239-377-9200 to receive additional information and to update your contact information. And then finally, we are doing our back to school night a little bit different this year, and it is a virtual classroom visit. You should have received an email from the school within the last day or so, and I would invite you to log into your student's Canvas homepage because there should be an announcement at the very top for you to click to access your student's homeroom classroom. There were also links sent through our campus newsletter, email, text message, and posted to social media, specifically on Facebook. If you have questions, if you did not receive those notifications, if you're curious who your classroom teacher is, your student's classroom teacher is, please contact the Eden Park Elementary office at 239-377-9200. We look forward to providing your student with an exceptional school year with exceptional education here at Eden Park, where we pride ourselves on providing your student with the best education possible. As always, have a wonderful day, and remember, it's always a great day to be a Bobcat.